find the equation of these lines.
The triangle thing?
No, you don't need to do that. Well, not yet. So we have 2 points on our line here, 0, 2, and 3, 0.
We subtract this stuff.
So we need to find the equation of the line. So the first thing you always start with is this. So for our purposes, it's y equals mx plus c.
I see.
For our class. Okay?
Island.
So what is m?
It's the slope.
The gradient or slope, yes. What is c?
Why?
Like the position on the y, like
On the y-axis.
If C is 1, Y is 1.
Intersection is the word I was looking for. It's the y-intercept. You're all right. It is the point where the line touches the y, as you put it. AKA the y-axis. Yes, is the word you're looking for there. But yes, that's the point. C is our intercept. So when you're finding the equation of a line, for now, what we will cover are easy ones, which are ones where you can see the y-intercept. Okay? For now. We will get into ones where you can't see the y-intercept, in which case you have to solve for it, which requires algebra, which takes a lot of time. We'll get to that later. So when we have our equation here, I'll rewrite it so it actually looks more normal. Okay? We can just fill in the information we know. And for the examples that we will do, the y-intercept is the very first thing that we know. Because we can get it just by looking at the graph.
The name.
So what is our y-intercept in that case? Yes, 2. So I just fill it in, right? Because this point is at y equals 2, so that is our y-intercept. Okay? Now, the next thing I need to find is my slope. So to do that, we do your triangle thing. And again, any 2 points are fine, right? You can draw the triangle or find your rise over run between any 2 points. It does not matter which ones you choose. You will still get the same answer. But for what we have, since I already have 2 points, it's just easier to use those points that are already there. So I can draw my, as best as I can, my triangle here, and I just count. So I went from 2 to 0, so that's minus 2 in y. Then I went from 0 to 3, which is positive 3 in x. So my slope, if you remember, rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x, right? So change in y is minus 2, change in x is 3. So my slope is negative 2 over 3. And then finally, you just put it into your equation and we are done. So my equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Make sense? Yeah. Following me?
Yes.
You understand how I found the slope and all that? Okay, because that's exactly what you need to do on your quiz. Okay.
That's what I
You don't have to find the equation, but you do need to know how to find the slope.
That's what I did.
Okay, then we're in good shape. So this goes through the entire thing that I just did, but it was easy enough to do it just one at a time, but I will go through the steps. So our slope again is negative 2 over 3. For some reason my picture has disappeared there. And m is now across the y-axis, so that is 2. And now, here we go. So I want you to find the equation of this line. I will rewrite these 2 points here.
Do we do it on paper?
And I want you to do it on paper, yes.
Let's do it.
So find the slope of that line. Do you need more graph paper?
Do we have to grab the line?
Okay. So, what did we get for answers? Marco, what do you have?
Y equals 4 over 1 plus negative.
Well, I'll just say 4x
Fine.
minus 3. Don't forget your x.
Same.
Same. So everybody got this as their answer.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's find out. From here, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives me the 4 there. 4 over 1. Okay. And our line passes through negative 3, which gives us our intercept. So yes, this is correct. Yay.
Is it wrong if I put in 4 over 1?
Nope. It is not wrong. By all means, go for it. So that is our answer. Well done.
Let's do this again. Starts at negative 2, right? No, negative 3. No, 2. Starts at negative 2.
Can you write the points down?
Sure. So that's negative 1.
Is it 1
Sorry.
up to right?
Oops.
It's 3.
That's 2, negative 1 for this point, and this is 4, 0 for that point.
And what's on Y?
Ah, good question.
It's negative 2, right?
Negative 2.
So it goes 1 up, 2 over. 1 up, 2 over.
No.
Yeah.
1 up to right. 1 up to right.
Oh, yeah.
Start here we go. 1
I can't
up,
see.
2 over. 1 up, 2 over.
What are you?
2 over.
Why don't you go use it from the point? You know,
Is it in 3 over? What?
no, it's 2 over.
1 up, 2 over.
Marco, move your head!
Don't you see it's 2 and 4?
Which is fine. You're saying what? 2 up, 4 over?
I'm saying it's 1 up.
1 up and 2 over.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That's what I said at the beginning.
So 1 over plus.
Is it y equals 1 over 2 minus
You're forgetting something.
2?
X. 1 over 2x.
1 over 2x.
Okay.
If on the test you do not put x, your answer is incorrect. You have to put that x there.
Why do we need
Is
to
it
put
y
our
equal?
Why do we need to put our x there?
Because that's what makes the equation, x and y. If you don't have x and y, then it's not the
So
same
it's
thing.
y equals
1 half.
Well, I have my contact lenses.
Forgetting something.
But
1 over 2.
X plus X.
Okay.
So it seems so far everybody has this. So,
negative 2? Oh,
minus 2.
stop it.
That is our answer.
Yeah.
So this lovely point there is 0 minus 2. Good. So we all understand slope, y-intercept, lines, getting our equation.
Yes, of course.
Anna, you said no? Well, you understand it well, I hope.
I think she meant that.
Oh, I know.
It's like
What is there?